It's that time of year again, so today I'm going to show you how to wrap a gift box. My name's Melissa, this is How to Adult, let's get started. Grab everything that you need to wrap the gift with. The next step is figuring out how much wrapping paper you actually need. Once you've worked that out, just cut. Cover half of the box and put a little bit of sticky tape down. It is always best when the ends only go halfway down the box. Fold down one side, push your finger in the corner and pull that straight. For the last tab, I get some sticky tape and put it half on, half off. That way when I fold it up, it sticks. And that is one side of the box done. Now, you've got your gift all wrapped up, but it's not good enough. You can get these Christmas stickers from the cheap shop that's got who it's from and who it's to on there, plus a little picture. If you want to add a ribbon to this, you can go ahead and add a ribbon, but I suggest you cheat. You go to the cheap shop and buy a bunch of these. You just peel off the sticker at the back, stick it on your present and done. As Emma would say, it's beautiful. I will show you how to make this ribbon extra springy. Put your thumb in between the ribbon and the blade, and then you just gently pull it against the ribbon. And just like that, you got yourself a beautifully wrapped gift. And it's not too expensive when you buy your items from the cheap shop. The only thing that I wouldn't go to the cheap shop for is your wrapping paper. Now that you've seen how I've wrapped the gifts, what do you think of my table? You can watch me put it together by clicking this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.